Hi everyone. So this is Sunday evening now. I went church hunting earlier on today and I had to go quickly because I didn't have enough time because I was catching up with the family in UK, which obviously is 6 hours ahead. So anyway, I didn't have breakfast. That's the point. So I thought on my way back, I was so hungry. I thought I'm going to give myself a treat and I was going to go and get myself fast food. So I got burgers, fries, and a drink because it was a combo. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna give myself a treat because I'm normally cooking for myself. Since I've been in Canada, people ask me, oh, what restaurants have you been to? I was like, which restaurants? I'm cooking my own food. I'm eating my Nigerian food. They're like, huh? In Canada? So I thought, okay, I will join the Canadian eating fast food race. Big mistake. Since I ate that burger fries, I've been feeling ill. I think I become so healthy that I cannot even eat unhealthy food now. So that's the end of me and that. And if I eat another burger, just shoot me. Anyway, I just joking anyway. But see what I found. So I found half a potato in my fridge, which I bought to see what the potatoes here were like. So I've chopped it up, put some tomatoes, put some onions, put my favorite nut cube there. That's just one cube for this size. You can see it's simmering away. And I'm going to add my chopped up spinach and some carrots. So this is basically, I don't know what I'm cooking. I'm making this up as I go along. All I know is that it's going to be wholesome, it's going to be healthy. I'm going to control the amount of salt in it and I'm not going to kill myself with my own money. And while I'm on the subject of food, I found that the tomatoes I was eating earlier were a bit bland and the lettuce, it just didn't have that flavor. And so I was suggested to me by my daughter, no less, to buy organic so that I don't eat GM foods by accident. So I got these tomatoes. So they're really lovely. These are vine tomatoes. They were $5 for $5. So it's an expensive one tomato for $1, but very juicy. I mean, you can sink your teeth right into that one and enjoy that. And then these eggs, I bought them before. So these are white eggs anyway. So see, I just boil them because that way it's less fat. And I like boiled eggs anyway. It's not a problem. Now, these golden delicious apples, I bought 3 of them for $3.43. So again, that's over $1 for one apple. I don't know what's going on here with the prices here, but I tell you, they're high. And everyone, they're talking about it on the news as well. But I think it's just too high to spend that much money for an apple. Even in Nigeria, we bought apples for cheaper than that. And we didn't even grow them. And that was years ago. Now, these carrots are this the price. I really love this. See how long this is. Can you see what a very long carrot this is? And I bought the whole bag for, I think it was $4.99 as well. And it's really, really tasty. So these are going to be my snacks now. Because I haven't come here to, gain weight and get diabetes. Heaven forbid. I am a doctor after all. Physician, heal thyself. And so I'm going to do that by eating wholesome foods. And I combine that with my exercise. I'm still going up and down the stairs. I hardly use the lift. Because now that I have the car, I don't walk to, and it's winter, I don't walk to work anymore. So I've got to find some ways of keeping fit. So I got my healthy food, and then that's my hot sauce, hot pepper sauce, because I don't have Scotch bonnets. And this is coming along nicely. And when it's on the plate, I will show you the picture. But basically, it isn't taking me up to 5 minutes to cut this up. I did it so quickly. And obviously the eggs are boiling. And so what I'm trying to say is let's try and eat healthily because I have many patients now. I'm over 100, 800 patients on my list. And I've been doing lots of labs and trying to catch up with their annual physicals because during the pandemic, they weren't able to come in and see doctors and what have you. Many people have high cholesterol. I've picked up a number of diabetics as well. If you lose 5% of your body weight, you get rid of diabetes. So let's just eat healthily, guys. Let's the fast food chains put less salt on the chips, give us healthier burgers, not too greasy, don't make us ill with our own money. And then we'll all be happier, hey? Okay. So I've added the carrots and the spinach to the pot. And I'm going to leave that there for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it can just simmer because I don't want the vegetables overcooked. That is how you get it fresh. That's how you get the good fiber out of it. And obviously, if you don't finish it all and I reheat it, then I don't overheat the food. So this is a natural way to, get the bowels moving without having to take Metamucil or any other of the anti-laxative medication that is used here. And this is just a healthy way to just keep yourself going naturally with few side effects. So I hope this helps. I know I'm a doctor, but I do believe in being healthy as well. You are what you eat. So when it's done, I'll put it on a plate and you can just see what it's like afterwards as well.